Hello, good morning everybody. My name is Sagar Asti from class 12 Sardar Patel Public School, W2G Verna Navasta Kanpur. Now the topic is coronavirus, COVID-19. It is a disease called coronavirus, which causes illness in the respiratory systems in the human. It is the new virus that is impacting the whole body as it is spreading primarily through contact with the person meets with another person that touches their nose, eyes and mouth. The virus can be spread. There is no current vaccines are made by the scientists which can prevent this disease. Now the headline is symptoms from coronavirus. It is the flu that causes several symptoms. It is the person through which they can evaluate and that the coronavirus or not. The symptoms are they could have fever, cough and difficulties breathing. The people also feel very tired and have a dry cough without special treatment. Also, people are recovering from this disease, and only generally this because disease is capturing in the old people as they have a less immune system. And now the again headline is safety from coronavirus. The safety from coronavirus can also be maintained by maintaining the social distancing from the people. Should avoid touching the faces. The people have to keep the distance from the 1 to 3 feet and animals such as 1 meter or 3 feet distance should be maintained. The people should stay home more as they can so that they could prevent coronavirus. And now the impact from coronavirus. Coronavirus has a great impact on the economy of the country as it is bring that slowdown of the country as it brings the slowdown of the country causes much harm to the growth of the country. The country are getting into the recessions through the coronavirus and the share marketing is deciding and there is a loss in the global income of the country. The economy is getting washed as the global supply chain is deciding and people are also facing many other issues. Thank you so much, Sagar.